In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete chats in Google AI Studio and remove chat history. First, log into your Google AI Studio account. After you are signed in, go to the Playground section. This is where your saved chats and active conversations are usually listed. Take a moment to look at the sidebar and review the chats that appear there. Next, find the chat that you want to delete. Once you locate it, select that chat and open it so you can access its settings. After the chat is open, look for the More Options menu. This is usually shown as 3 dots. Click on that menu to open the available actions for the selected chat. From the menu, choose Delete. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you want to remove the chat. Read the prompt carefully, then click Delete again to confirm your choice. Wait a moment while Google AI Studio removes the conversation. After that, check that the chat is no longer visible in the sidebar. Then click View All History to open your full chat history list. Review the history carefully and confirm that the deleted chat no longer appears there. This helps you make sure the conversation has been removed from the main history view and not just from the current chat list. If you see an option called Open in Drive, click it. This will take you to the related files stored in Google Drive, if any are available for that chat. Once you are in Drive, review the associated files and confirm that the deleted chat no longer appears there either. This is an important final check if your Google AI Studio chats are connected to saved files or exported content. When you have confirmed that the chat is gone from Google AI Studio history and no longer appears in Google Drive, the removal process is complete. At that point, you can be confident that the chat and its history have been deleted. If you are repeating this process for more than one conversation, simply return to the Playground, open the next chat, use the 3-dot menu, and follow the same delete and confirmation steps again. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.